Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. In today's video, I will be doing a review on a platform called Homestake. I will be doing a review on Homestake investment platform. So where you can earn 10% daily profit. Not 1, not 2, not 4, not 5, not 8, but 10% daily profit on your investment with this company called Homestake. So I will be showing you things to consider before you are going to invest in it and make your daily 10%. And after the end of this video, I will try as much as possible to give my sincere recommendation on this particular platform, and I will also like you to do some findings, to watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full knowledge of what I'm about to share with you about this company before you take your step. Okay, so this is what I'm sharing with you today. But before I go further, I once again welcome you to Lasojani Biz Talk. This channel is known for sharing financial education, so I am enlightening you on this channel is created to enlighten you on how to make money online, how to be financially free, secured and settled, and also to warn you or to raise a warning flag on some fraudulent or suspicious online investments that are very common in our day, in our present time. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell and set it to all notification for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video, whenever I have a new update, whenever I have another information to share with you guys. And also, if you found the video at the end to be very meaningful to you, if truly it's added value to you, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question concerning this video, you can contact me through my email address here. You can call me on phone, and you can also contact me on this WhatsApp number. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as we'll be dropping frequent announcements, as I will be making frequent announcements on the Telegram channel on how you can make something for yourself online. So once again, what you are considering today is excuse me, is making 10% daily profit in Homestake investment platform. So this is a review on that. And before I proceed, I would like you to know that online investment has been in existence for many decades ago, and people have been making huge amounts. People have been making their daily earnings, daily living from online investment. And in the same vein, many people, they are losing their hard-earned money on online investment. So for that reason, you need to take a proper to do a proper research. You need to take your time to check any online investment that you want to venture into before you dive into it. And that is one of the reasons why this channel is created. Okay, and I would also like to tell you that this life is full of risk. Everything that you are doing, risk, a particular percentage of risk is attached. And the greatest risk that you can take, and the greatest thing is that if you are trying to avoid taking a risk, and that risk is even greater, is greater than not taking a risk. But what you just need to do is that you need to take a calculated risk so that you are going to know how to go about it. Okay, so that is what I have for you before I start, before I take you to the platform where I will be reviewing this site. Okay, so let's go to the platform now. So this is the home page. So this is the home page of Homestake investment platform. So I will be sharing with you some information on the site right now. Homestake mining investment infrastructure. So this company, they claim to be into mining, but mining of what? What are you mining? Are you mining gold? Are you mining crude oil? Are you mining cryptocurrency, we are yet to know that. Okay, as we can see here, this is a logo of Bitcoin, which means that probably they are mining cryptocurrency. And I can see 5G here, 5G network. So maybe they are trying to explore the advantage of 5G network through Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency mining. Okay, presently they claim to have 5,987,312, and total deposit is $920,100, and total withdrawal this is a big scam, and total withdrawal is 977,680. okay, is it 9,777,840,552 and while the total deposit is just $920,000. You can see the range. Let's start from this, or can we say that this is a mistake? If this is a mistake, then it's a costly mistake that shouldn't be made at all, because we are dealing with an investment platform, an online investment platform, whereby every information that are available on their own page must be treated very, very important. It must be sieved, it must be cautiously treated before you can say that you want to start an online investment platform, because thousands of people, they are going to consider this before they join. So seeing total deposit of less than $1 million and total withdrawal more than close to total withdrawal almost $10 billion, can see that this is somehow suspicious. It is somehow alarming. Okay, Homestake mining investment infrastructure, or Homestake.co, or also known as Homestake.co Limited, is a UK-based cloud investment holding company that was jointly founded by a group of seasoned professionals and experts in the financial market in year 2019. So you can read the rest on your own. British company, duly registered, UK business with registration, blah blah blah. Homestake mining investment. Grow your money from the comfort of your home. All right, investment plan. So this is where we are going. You can see you can make 10% daily, according to what they say. According to the information we have here right now, make 10% daily. Investment of $50 to, that is the minimum investment. $50 is the minimum investment, while $1,000 is the minimum investment on basic plan. They also have advanced plan. There is professional plan and profit plan. So in the advanced plan, you make 20% daily, in the professional 14%, and in the profit you make 16% daily. And also they have basic long term, advanced long term, professional long term, and and perfect long term. So they have all this plan. So why invest with us? Personal dashboard, bank level security, registered company, blah blah blah. Instant withdrawal, sustainable products, live customer support, 247 currency rate, referral program 5%, and we have another document of incorporation that is very, very common to many online investments that are available right now. And I'm so concerned about this particular certificate of incorporation, because I have an encounter with many online business now using this type of certificate of incorporation, claiming that it has been issued by the government of UK. So I just wonder how they are trying to get this done, to manipulate something like this. So to me, this site is somehow is not safe. As for me, it's not safe for me to invest here because of so many lapses that I found here. The number one is that they don't have a team. There's no team behind this company. You don't know the owners. That is, they have an anonymous identity. You can't reach any of them personally. So that is one thing to consider. And number two, how they are making their money is not well analyzed. They just tell us that they are into investment, they are into mining of what? Cryptocurrency, mining of so they are into mining of cryptocurrency, they are into crypto trading. So they are not well all the information here are not well explanatory, and the investment, as in the ROI, the return on investment, is too high. This is outrageous. How on earth can a company be promising me 10% on daily basis, even on 50%? So this is just like a bait to push people in, to introduce them, and after the head, it will turn to a Ponzi scheme, which will eventually cut away people's fund. So I will never recommend this. I will never give this a good recommendation. But as I always say that in Ascertain Stock, I give financial education, and you are the one to do the decision, to take the decision on your own. And if you have maybe you have access to some information that I may not have access to, and you confirm that this platform, it is very, very safe for you to invest, then my advice becomes that invest the little that you can afford to lose. Don't put all your money in an investment platform like this. That is my advice for you. But as for me, I will never dive into an investment platform like this. And that is the education, that is the financial education that I do give to my viewers. So this is where I will stop for today. You can browse through the channel for several videos that have been done in the past on how to make money online. Just check through the videos rather, and if you are interested in any of them, you can contact me for more information on them. So I will be happy to have you at my DM on my WhatsApp chats, or through my email address, or you can also send your messages. You can drop it in the comment box of this video. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. So I have done several videos here on how you can make money online. Just check them, and if you have any question, once again, you can contact me, and I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. So this particular platform called Homestake investment platform is not safe for me. It's not safe for me, and I'm not recommending it for you guys. You can see last deposit $90, last withdrawal to $78.1. All this, I have fall victim of something like this in the past. So I don't want you, my viewers, to fall victim of such. I don't want you to fall victim of such. So that is why this channel is created, to warn you of investment platform that are somewhat suspicious. Though for within the first 3 months of something like this, of a company like this, they can be paying people, so which will encourage them to invite more people. And once they have invited more people, then they can think that they can come up with their initial motive and take away people's money. So I don't want you to fall victim of an investment platform like this. I'm not saying this investment platform is a scam, and I'm not saying it is legit, but as for me, I can't invest my money in an investment platform that will be giving me 10% daily profits. So you can try it if you think it's worth giving a try, but as for me, I'm not recommending it. So thank you once again. This is where I'll be stopping for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important, and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of next update. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye bye for now.